weld up a little mount here for the monitor so we can rig up CNC. See if I can't melt my fingers to this thing here. Doesn't have to be too crazy. She ain't ready, but she'll hold. Just an old bed frame. I'm gonna bolt that to the side of the rack over beside the CNC there where Jeremy's at. Get this gimbal to run here. So I'm gonna mount this just on that shelf there. And then the monitor will hang on the back. So she can tilt and turn and whatever else, right? Just like that. So handy and handsome for a fat fella.